Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic 4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me it's right over here. Once you locate your toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it. Not the toggle. There we go. You can hold it, and this will take you to the settings. So in here, it's fairly limited in terms of what you can change, but we do have probably some of the more important things, like who can call you and who can message you. Along with this being enabled, repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So as an example, you can have that no one can call you, but if they meet this requirement, they just completely bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, another great feature right here is the schedule. This will allow you to set it up so the Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off at a specific day of the week and time. So you can set it up once and just forget about it once you toggle it on from here. And if you're planning to have different, for instance, days of the week with different start and end times for Do Not Disturb mode, you can just simply add more. Now for everybody else who wants to use Do Not Disturb mode manually, all you would need to do is, once you set it up, find the toggle, tap on it, select enable, and that's it. It's now turned on. And you can see this little moon icon right here to signify that it is running, so you are aware of it. And once you're done with it, I do urge you to try to remember about it, because this will run indefinitely. So if you want to use it just for like some, I don't know, hour, maybe 8 hours or so, whatever it is, I do recommend trying to remember about it. Otherwise the phone will keep the settings of Do Not Disturb mode permanently till you turn it off, which isn't necessarily the greatest thing. And to turn it off, all you need to do is find the toggle once more, tap on it, and there you go, it's now off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.